Hey guys, it's Magaz here. Now this gameplay video is from a private event at the Labyrinth in Bury. It was an invite only game and we wanted to get as many members of CBMPC and our close friends down as possible for a night of CQB fun. This was the first game of the night and was your standard RVB TDM. Now, most YouTubers only ever show off their best moments, the massive kill streaks, the gameplay where they only die once but take out all of the enemy team. In this game, I didn't play very well. I'd like to say I fell behind but then clutched it at the end. That'd be totally lying though. What matters is I had an amazing time slinging plastic with some of my closest friends, and that is what airsoft is all about. As usual, I was running my ICS CXP 15K and a BLE Alpha. Yeah. It's super fast, just get as far over there as you can. Oh, hit! Dumber. This way, this way, this way. Hit! Front of me.
Oh, straight. That's all walking. Okay. Hey!
Oh yeah, man. Sneaky bastard. It's red down here. Yeah, I'm hit.
Red fire? Red fire? Nope.
Is in a little window just over there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not red. It's not red.
He's not red.
Close. This tick, you can get through that window. Some of these windows have got like polycarbonate. Cool. Oh, yeah, man. It's alright. I didn't shoot.
Didn't you?
No, not at all. You fired.
Alright.
Go, don't just get through there. Trap, go right. Big right. your hand. Come through.
Step back. Step back. Grab her at the end. Hey! Good shot.
تمام.
I was just about to power slide there, man. My special meter was full. Ow. Yeah.
Never walking.
Oh yeah, you got me. Dead man. D2.
تمام. تمام تمام تمام.
Red, red, red.
Ah, fucker. Ned.
Oh yeah, his finger. Dead man. Oh yeah. Wait, it's there. Jimmy, wait. Trap, wait. Just saying wait. Yeah, quickly. Okay. Oh yeah, I got shot then. Follow me. Jimmy, go right. Jimmy, the other right.
Is your respawn down early?
You're blue. Red.
Marshall.
I knew it could be you as well.
Stay here. Watch that opening. Keep going. Oh yeah.
Dead man coming through. Dead man. Dead man.
Oh, dude. Oh, just a tip. At this point, we had run out of respawns, so that's pretty much game over for me. That's probably thanks to me and my many deaths. We had several players running cameras at this event, and I'll be editing lots of gameplay footage from some pretty interesting games we ran, including a very janky couple of rounds of PUBG, which were loads of fun. So stay tuned and hit subscribe if you want to see those videos. Thanks for watching, and remember kids, the air may be soft, but our balls are hard.